balloon.
Can I do this?
Let me see your balloon.
You do this. You do that. You do your balloon up in the air. You do that. But really high. Really high in the air.
Can you do it, Landry? Wow. Harley's got the balloons. Look at, Harley's got them. Oh wow, look at the balloons. Can you go get it, Landry? Go get one? Can you go get one?
Come and
Go get one.
You can come get my balloons up in the air. It's okay.
Can you hit him on the floor? Show Landry how to hit him on the floor. Remember?
Watch. It's not cool, but you just gotta put them in the lamp.
Let Landry have one.
I need to show how to do this. Do that and then that. Watch, Landry. Landry, watch this. Landry. Landry.
Landry.
Landry.
Harley's trying to get you to go over there.
Landry, watch this. Now put him in the air and do that. And do that. Is that silly?
Yeah?
Can I vacuum my quick?
Let's wait.
Look.
You get down. It's messy. Balloons.